In this video, I'm going to show you how to code a simple Discord bot using PHP and how to connect that to your Discord server. Hey, it's Chris here from Keeping It Code, where we help you bring your imagination to life through coding. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and all the links that we discuss in this video, you can find those in the description box below. So let's get right into it. So the first step is logging into the Discord developer portal, and this is where we're going to click New Application, give it a name, and create that. Now we actually need to create the bot for this application. So go to the Bot tab, click Add Bot. Alright, now take note, we have a bot token that was created. We're going to need to use that later. And also on the general information, it gives us a client ID and a client secret, which you may need to use later as well. Alright, so the next step, let's go back to the Applications tab, click on Documentation, scroll down, find the Community Resources tab. And this is going to be a list of all the Discord libraries that we can use. Now, each of them are in different languages. So we have C++, Java, Python, and PHP. Now, I enjoy writing code in PHP. That's what I'm familiar with. So I'm going to choose Rescord. Now, with Rescord, I was initially going to make the tutorial on that, but it just seems very lacking. You can't have a persistent session with this, so it can't be logged into Discord listening the entire time. So it says if you're doing anything heavy or fancy, you should probably look at the other PHP library. So let's check that out. All right, and this is called Discord PHP. They have a getting started example, so let's just go through that. Now, in order to install this, we're going to need two prerequisites. We're going to need PHP and Composer. If you're not familiar with Composer, it is a package manager for doing exactly what this is: installing plugins, installing other modules, and you can remove them easily with it. And it's also easy to update the package with. So if they push an update out, then you can simply run the Composer update command. It grabs the latest code, and then you have everything up to date properly. So let's copy the Composer. Now, if you don't have Composer installed, that's okay. I'm going to link in the description some tutorials on how to do that. Now, I am operating on a Mac, so what you guys see here may differ a little bit from whatever operating system that you are on. Alright, now with the terminal open, let's see where I'm at. Okay, I want to create another project directory. Let's just call it discord-bot. Sorry, it was just sudo mkdir. Once that's created, now guys, I'm going to do a chmod 777, which is just setting permissions on this folder to be admin level. This is so Composer doesn't have any permissions error when trying to install and create those directories. Now, if you're on a production environment, then you don't want to give full admin access to these files and folders. But for your local install, it's okay. Now we're going to go into that directory. We are at the root. Let's do a Composer require team-reflex/discord-php, and let's wait for the Composer to complete. Okay, now that Composer has finished installing, let's list out the files and folders. We can see we have a composer.json, a composer.log file, and the vendor folder. Now that vendor folder is what's going to have the mods that we just downloaded. So now the next step is creating our PHP file and actually putting the bot code in there to use it. So let's look at the basic example that they have here. Copy that. Now you can use a simple text editor if you like, but I'm going to use PHP Storm for this project. Alright guys, so I have opened up the folder in PHP Storm, which has created a PHP Storm project in here. So first things, let's go ahead and create our PHP file. Name it index.php. Now in there, let's paste that basic example. Now next, we're instantiating a new Discord. Now this is where we need the token back from the Discord developer portal. So let's go back over there. Click on your applications. Go back to your bot tab. Copy that token. And then paste it in the value. Alright, so before we can actually run this bot, there's one main piece that I forgot to mention earlier. Open up a new tab. You're going to need to paste this Discord app URL, and you can find that in the description box below. Right here where it says client ID equals, we're going to want to copy our client ID from the Discord and put it as a parameter there. Now until we do this, our bot won't actually exist in Discord. So this is very important. Now that we have done that, we're going to add our bot to the correct server. What the I mean, those look like mountains. Heal. Okay. Okay, I see what you did there. Alright, cool. We're authorized, and I see the notification just popped up. So we do have our bot logged in, but they're offline. They're offline, and they're not going to be online until we execute that script. So let's close out of that. And then open up the terminal. Now let's execute that PHP script we just created. So type in PHP space index.php, and this is going to run that. It says the bot is ready. It is a locked process or a running process, so you won't be able to do anything in this terminal window while that bot is running. Let's go back to Discord, and we can see that the bot is online. Now if we message it, hello, it doesn't do anything. Alright, now if we look back at our terminal, we're gonna see our message hello. So that is what the basic example for this did. If we look back at PHP Storm, it's going to log in, say the bot is ready. That's dumped out in the terminal, and then whenever it gets a message, it's also going to pop the message into terminal like it did there. So we can try that again. Yep, there we go. Now this is a good time to talk a little bit about how the Discord bot actually works. There's two main parts to this, something called a Websocket and then the REST API. So the Websocket is what we are listening for events on. So anytime something happens in Discord, such as we received a message, the Websocket layer is going to fire off an event, and we're listening to it. We're basically subscribed to it whenever we started this script. And that's exactly what's happening here. Now the REST API is a little bit different. Instead of listening for a message to come in, we are going to be sending requests out. Maybe it's we want to get a list of the users that are currently logged into the Discord server. So we could create a request, reach out to their REST API, and it'll give us the information back. Now with the REST API, you do have a rate limit. So you're going to want to, structure your program in a way that you utilize WebSockets when you can, and limit the amount of times you actually call that REST API. Because if you have a single server calling multiple, requests every minute, you could exceed the rate limit. Now there is something I read called sharding, which will allow you to split that. So let's just say your bot is active on thousands and thousands of different Discord servers at once. Sharding will allow you to escape that rate limit, I believe, and you can essentially have multiple instances of your bot, and they'll all use their own tokens. Okay, that is the end of it for this video. You have a basic bot connected to Discord. Now you have a template to start creating whatever it is you want to create. So I challenge you guys to read through the documentation of that Discord library to understand a little bit more. Perhaps make the bot talk back to you, dump a message back. I know that that requires using more functionality than what's here. It's a little bit special to actually send messages back and forth. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you aren't already. I'm going to be doing releases every week or every other week. The schedule is TBD. This is actually my first YouTube video, so I appreciate you guys watching till the end. Give me your feedback, please. Soon I'll actually open a Discord server so we can communicate. My goal with this channel is I want to help you learn to code or just get better at it and explore new things. The idea of mod making, Discord, things that are gaming related, that's all exciting to me. Professionally, I do websites, so we can talk happy coding. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.